Keep it moving on the south side. Watch the rebar right there. We need more stones over here.
Mortar ready? Brick in place. Keep the line straight.
All right, push it tight to the corner, right there.
Got it.
Send the nails home. Good work.
We need to run this line up to the top plate for the overhead lighting.
Okay, and the switch leg goes right here.
All right, that joint is solid. We'll run the next line up there.
Sounds like a plan. Let's prep the next one. This primer goes on smooth to have it.
Yeah, much better than the last batch. Ready to set it down?
Yeah, bring it back towards you slightly.
Okay, how's that level look?
Powering up the gate now.
Clear on the track.
Lights are ready for testing up here.